What is the role of law in social justice? Have you ever wondered how laws shape the idea of social justice? Let's break it down in a way that makes sense. In the context of libertarianism, the role of law is primarily about protecting individual rights. This means safeguarding life, liberty, and property. Laws are not meant to enforce social welfare or equality goals. Instead, they create a framework that prevents force or coercion against individuals and their property. This allows people to pursue their own lives freely, as long as they respect the rights of others. One key idea in libertarian thought is the non-aggression principle. This principle states that it is wrong to initiate force or fraud against others. Laws should focus on punishing those who violate rights, rather than trying to achieve social equality through mandates. This is where the protection of property rights comes into play. Libertarians believe strong legal protections for private property are essential to justice. Property rights are seen as extensions of individual liberty, and the law should resolve disputes and prevent theft, trespass, or fraud. Justice, from a libertarian perspective, is about respecting individuals' sovereignty over their own lives and possessions. Laws must protect this sovereignty by limiting the state's power to only what is necessary for protecting rights. The state should not redistribute resources or impose social goals. Its main functions should be to enforce contracts and protect rights without infringing on them. When we look at economic efficiency and social welfare, some libertarian thinkers argue that laws protecting individual rights promote overall social welfare more effectively than laws aimed at redistributing wealth. Voluntary exchanges and free markets allocate resources better than centralized planning. While many libertarians reject social justice as a goal of redistributive policies, some see social justice as respecting individual rights and freedoms. This means that laws should focus on preventing harm, enforcing voluntary agreements, and protecting individuals from aggression. Laws that aim to redistribute wealth or enforce equality of outcomes are viewed as unjust because they violate individual rights to property and freedom. So, in the context of libertarianism, the role of law in social justice is about upholding justice defined as the protection of individual rights and freedom. It is not about pursuing social equality through coercive means. This approach emphasizes legal frameworks that allow for voluntary cooperation and respect for personal sovereignty within a limited state.